Hi, Colin with Diode Dynamics. Today I'm going to be going over our new Stage Series grille and bumper kits for the 2021 and up Ford F-150. These kits are packed with a ton of features, so let's get started. These kits allow you to mount either a pair of SS5 LED pods or a 5-pod CrossLink light bar across the grille on your F-150. Both kits will give your F-150 a more aggressive off-road look that will make your truck stand out from the crowd. On top of that, they'll also give you more functionality and an insane amount of added light output for off-roading. Unlike other kits on the market that may require cutting or drilling, our bumper and grille kits use existing mounting points, allowing for easy bolt-on installation. They won't interfere with your proximity sensors, and they still allow you to use your 360 camera. Our heavy-duty stainless steel brackets feature a durable powder-coated finish for maximum longevity, and they've also been rigorously torture tested using load simulation to prevent flexing or vibration no matter the elements. Wiring for both kits is easy and intuitive. Harnesses are included that plug right into the integrated Deutsch-style connectors on the pod. Each kit can be controlled with our included toggle switch, or if your F-150 came with an OEM auxiliary switch bank, you can easily connect to the switch bank using our included adapter. Both kits include our new SS5 5-inch LED pods. The bumper kit allows you to mount 2 of our SS5s directly on the F-150 brackets using our universal mounting brackets. With the grille kit, you can mount a curved 5-pod light bar across the grille using our patent-pending CrossLink technology. These single-piece CrossLinks will securely fasten your SS5 light bar together for easy installation on the F-150 brackets. Both kits will give you a crazy amount of light output on the trail ahead thanks to the patented Stage Series technology inside our SS5. The ultra-high intensity output is harnessed by our custom-engineered TIR optics, ensuring the light output is delivered exactly where you want it without any stray or wasted light. In addition to the insanely bright main beam, our SS5s will also give you a selectable backlight with 8 color options on our white pods and a single amber backlight on our yellow pods. The backlight serves as an extra accent or ambient light when the main beam isn't being used and will give your truck a little bit of extra styling. These kits offer tons of customization, allowing you to choose between 6000K cool white and 3000K selective yellow LED pods in our sport or pro power levels. They come with either our driving optic, which shines light in a concentrated beam of light downrange like a supplemental high beam, or our combo optic. This combines our driving and flood optics to shine light downrange in a rectangular pattern and add fill light in front of the vehicle. But the customization doesn't stop there. The polycarbonate lenses used by our SS5s are completely interchangeable, which means that if you're looking to change the output pattern to something more suitable for your application, we offer replacement lenses that allow you to do so in just a couple of minutes. These kits are designed, tested, and assembled right here in the US and are backed by an industry-leading 8-year warranty. If you're looking to pick up an SS5 kit for your vehicle or any of our other products, visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. If you're looking to stay up to date on any of our new products, make sure you like, subscribe, and click that notifications bell below. Thanks for watching.